into the very basics of rowing. Let's go over parts of the stroke. So we're going to go up here. This is called the catch, the drive, the finish, and the recovery. Once again, catch, because you're catching the water. Drive, because you're driving with the body. The finish, and recovery. We're going to continue on. We're going to go through the parts of the stroke and what it looks like, really emphasizing why you need to do legs, back, arms, arms, back, legs. The big muscles are here, medium muscles are here, and small muscles are here. So you want to use your big power first and then decrease as you go. It'll continue the acceleration.
The reason why you use the bigger muscles first before the little muscles is if you use the little muscles first, the big muscles can't do their job.
You want to keep the muscle groups in order, because if the small muscles go before the medium muscles or the medium muscles go before the large muscles, the larger muscle group doesn't actually have any connection with the boat to move the boat forward. It's very intuitive for many people to start with their arms first because that's how many gyms teach rowing. However, it's important when you're trying to move a boat in particular that your legs do the motion first. So, looking at what this looks like, we come up to the catch. We make sure our back is nice and straight up and down. Hold on to the oar handles or the oar at the outsides. We're going to press our legs down without moving our back at all. Then we're going to swing back our back and pull in our arms. Then we reverse the motion. Reverse, reverse. Legs, back, arms, arms, back, legs. Legs, back, arms, arms, back, legs. A little faster. Legs, back, arms, back, legs. Legs, back, arms, back, legs. Full speed here.